Welcome down to Auto ID, the home of vehicle styling. This is the vehicle styling shop, and the guys at Ramair are down today with their G87 M2 to get TRE's infamous G87 kit, and it's going to transform the look of their car, which we can't wait to see finished with the livery and all of the stuff they're doing to it. But we've got a load of stuff that's going to be going on the car today: splitter, side skirts, rear diffuser, rear winglets, rear wing. The car is going to look absolutely transformed when it leaves our showroom. But a bit about us: we supply all types of styling and body kits, wheels, accessories. We supply Miltech exhaust systems. We also supply Ramair intakes as well, if you're looking for one of those. But with that being said, let's get the car on the ramp and get some work done on it.
So we are going to be fitting the TR87 kit today to this G87 M2. It consists of the side skirts, we've got the rear diffuser, 3-piece front splitter, also got the rear winglets to go on the back, and then lastly we've got the wing. Cool little fact, with this wing and the splitter combination, we've had it air tested and it creates 90 kilograms of downforce at 110 miles per hour. Just a fun little fact for you. So we've sort of designed this kit to be as easy as possible to fit. So for example, the side skirts just uses 3M tape. You've got OEM mounting points, and then there are also additional holes if you do want to use self-tappers, which we'd only more recommend if you're planning on tracking the car or doing a lot of high-speed driving. Same with the front splitter, it's all 3M tape, OEM mounting points. Got the diffuser, just straight swap replacement to the OEM one. And then rear winglets, OEM mounting points once again. Then the rear wing, we will be having to drill into the boot lid to secure the 4 mounting points for that. And yeah. So with this rear wing, we also supply these templates that will sit either side of the boot. They have instructions on them how to use them, and essentially it just lines up with the edges of the boot, and then it gives you the points where you need to drill the 2 holes. Now we still recommend, even with using these stencils, to just double check the holes after, get measurements, make sure it's all as even as possible. But yeah, essentially this will just make life a lot easier. So now we're just going to centre punch the 4 holes that we need to drill. This just will put a little indent in the car, which makes it a lot easier to drill when we start drilling later on.
So behind me is the complete project. It's now running the full TR87 body kit and it looks so much better. If we come around the back, I'm going to give you a little walk round of the full body kit and what we've actually carried out. So here is the TR87 rear wing, which is full pre-preg carbon fibre. Looks a lot cleaner and it's almost got like little roof dimples that come through here that line up with the carbon roof. And the nice thing about this wing, it actually has track and road adjustability in terms of rake, which affects the downforce and stuff like that. Behind here, we've also gone for a carbon rear diffuser, which is just round the back. Down here is some carbon rear spats, which flow lovely with the side skirts just down there. And then round the front is our TR87 winglet splitter. So this is a 3-piece splitter. And the reason why it's 3-piece is because it makes it easier to ship all around the world. And we ship these to US, Japan, everywhere. And the nice thing about them being 3-piece as well is, say for instance, you scrape a little bit, you can buy a replacement piece, nice and easy. And we've put some spacers on the rear as well. I believe that's everything for the car, but this body kit in general just transforms the car completely. Stock, they look a little bit uneasy, and this just helps like even out all them uneven angles. And yeah, that's everything. I hope you're happy with the work done.